good morning, Dubai. So, welcome to all the esteemed guests and confirmed participants who have joined us today. Can we have a big round of applause for everyone joining in this early morning in Dubai? So, I, Mitali Batra Joshi, CEO with DIGITALCONFEX, I welcome everyone to our second Information Technology Conference.
So I think the awareness will spread a lot more. Great discussion in the second panel.
The quality of the panel speaker was amazing, so they brought really concrete example, and to me that was also very important.
Excellent, very good quality and very educative.
Oh, actually, I love all of the sessions. I like the session that was provided during the roundtable events when we was under discussion and the panel discussion of the zero trust platforms, the parts related to the financial industry and cryptocurrencies. So, I enjoy everything.